Abra!
And you come.
Report! I don't tell you. Anytime. If I call you once, make you answer me 10 times.
But I know they answer you before.
Go back, my friend. You go secondary school. You begin to make younger like people who go to university. Abra!
Sir!
Sir, for 10 times. Go for police. Who born you? Not me born you.
Yeah.
If I come once, say, sir! Stupid boy. May God respect my mother in the heaven. May so rest in perfect place. If my mama call me once, I go answer 10 times.
That is no, you know, say, Christmas they come.
Shut up. Abra!
Sir.
You don't say you dumb, you are mad.
Hey, but now you just say 10 times.
Take. You go collect my bicycle. You remember the man we come here yesterday? I tell him say I won't sell all my general property. So you go get this and the bicycle. Go to the repairer place. Go collect the bicycle. Go get the man.
So you want to say this radio? Me, I don't agree.
Why?
I no go agree make you sell it.
Why?
The radio where they take London, where they take USA.
Who get radio?
Now you get them, and if you die, now me go take them.
So you want me make I die like this?
No, anytime when you die.
I am sorry for you.
Good day, Papi. Good day, sir.
Tuji.
Good day, sir.
Now only God say make you meet me for house.
Now I won't go out.
Yes.
But how are you, Abra?
I don't leave message for my ticket.
Oh, thank you very much.
I don't tell and say when you call, they can give you all your property.
Okay.
It don't become your property now.
Say everything I done ready.
But you go follow Abura, go repair that place, go collect them. The bicycle alone.
Daddy,
The bicycle.
that bicycle, me I know they leave am. Me I know they give am that one.
What's wrong with you?
You know they say motor no day. And that bicycle you won't send me message. Now I go the ride. I know they.
What do concern you about my property?
Now anything when you get, now me get am. Yes, I be your blood. If you never know, make you know.
You be my blood.
Yes.
Anyway, don't mind that. Bring the money, my friend.
By the way, how much, sir?
We don't settle everything yesterday now.
Okay.
I bet you don't forget.
5,
You be my blood.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Go to Dogun, what is dog man no late.
Okay, now be this remain 50 naira.
Okay.
So I go come balance you. Thank you. Bring the radio.
Come take her. Come out in your hand, my friend.
Wetin happen?
Who get the radio? Go collect the
Now be saying I won't sell them for me.
Where my money?
Now be money be this.
Give her the radio. I don't take.
Come take her.
No spell it, you know.
Which one be this, sir?
Collect the money back, my friend.
No one sell them for me again. Bring my money, Abra.
The boy will rascal pass him, Papa. Take your radio.
Oh.
So before you say I won't steal your money.
Now 150 naira be that. Where the bicycle?
It go take you go to the repairer place. Go repairer place now. This one na transport money for you.
So I make you the go Abra.
And if you reach there, begin to play.
Make her they play there.
Begin to play.
Go.
And bye you come meet me for house.
How are you?
How are you there now? How Christmas?
Uncle Lami.
I don't tell you, say anytime when you call here, make you call me my name. Call me my name.
That's Uncle Lami, because she knows. I think I know ya. You where you they do to double take. You they do ya, you they do ya. Well,
go punish you.
Anyway, madam say make I give you this thing. Now the people where they do rainbow products, now they give madam say make they distribute them to all the customers as Christmas present. So now I own this.
Then try to tell them say I am happy. If to say they get knife, make them come to my house, come operate my belly. Then go no say my belly. You see, take and give me 950 kobo.
Okay, I go see you for that one tomorrow. I wait now.
Okay. Excuse me.
Make
I entertain you. Inside.
You complete. You may not complete.
Cinema. Yeah, at the cinema I watched some movies and everything. I enjoyed myself at the back. I saw the Santa Claus and everything. You know, everything was bomb, man. Yeah, I went with my pal. I saw everything. I enjoyed myself. Man, I must conclude. The Christmas is just like the Christmas in the States, you know, in America. Yeah, when I was in Washington. It's just the same thing. Yeah. Okay, you mean coming over to your place? Oh, I'll try and tell my pop about that, you know? I'll tell my pop. Okay. Oh, yeah. I learned a Christmas carol recently. I had someone singing it. Okay, it goes like this. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh yeah. It's so bum.
Where your papa?
Oh God, it's I swear.
Your papa come?
It's cool.
Call me your papa.
I enjoy myself, I promise.
Call me your papa.
Oh yeah, come on, Bob. Come on, boy. Yeah. You come over to my place tonight. Let's come over.
Call me your
Hey
papa.
man, chill out. Stop disturbing. Just chill out. I'm coming. Sorry for that, John. Sorry, man. Yeah, I hold mine, you know. It's one of those things. I told him to chill out. Okay, you call me back. You call me back. Okay, I'll see you. Bye-bye. Take care. Oh, so what's happening?
Are you well at all?
What's happening to you?
Are you well at all? You think say you there for party or waiting?
Chill out, man. I was on phone when you were
Now your papa go seal up.
Forget it.
Your papa go seal up.
You want to see my pop or something?
Go come with your papa, my friend.
Okay, man. Bob!
So sorry.
Yeah.
Papi Louis.
Yeah.
Now, who thought say I did here?
Mr. Bello.
Yes.
Mr. Bello, you better slap me and show me to your pikin.
How?
Look at this boy. And they talk to them, say, where your papa, where your papa? If you see the thing where this young pikin will do for me, not the small thing, what happened?
I was on phone. He came around and he told me to call you when I was on phone. And I told him to chill out.
Baby, you're phone, you're gonna tell me, you're going to know.
You saw me, I was on phone, right?
Waiting.
You saw me on phone.
Anyway, that's alright. Anybody wait there for food. If you come and you see the person on phone, you sit down, make him finish his phone before you talk to her.
You don't tell me say the phone.
You don't see her.
Whether you play with the phone, I don't know.
God damn it.
God tell me to your father. Maybe this will be my pikin.
Okay, that's alright, Papi Louis. That's alright.
Happy Christmas and New Year, advance recognition.
Thank you very much. As I wish you the same.
Thank you.
Yes.
Now your present be this. Thank you. Now your present be that. Which present for Christmas?
Oh, the Christmas park. God.
It's over 30 something years now. We are the staff of your company.
Papi
I never give you anything.
Yeah.
My belly sweet. Now you make me.
Papi Louis. This Christmas a different one. This Christmas now what? Papi Louis. For the first time ever, so you give me Christmas present.
Don't worry.
This one surprised me. Anyway, I thank you very much.
Don't worry.
Much wish you helpful. And I wish you long life and prosperity. You understand?
And I long life for you too.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Papi Louis, thank you.
Mr. Bello.
Yes.
Tell your pikin make you ask Christmas.
What?
I won't tell you the thing waiting for my mind.
What's in the problem?
Tell her make you go out. I mean, you know if you tell her. Make
sit down. So what's in?
So you fear your pikin.
How I go fear him?
Tokubo.
Yeah.
Get out. Get
For
out.
what?
Get out to my friend. You, I say get out. You say for what? I want to talk to your father. Get out with immediate effect.
Hello, look. Okay, Chokes, you know what?
What?
Take this one to the main sitting room.
Okay, man.
Come.
The main sitting room?
Yes, and sit down at the main sitting room. I'll join you later.
Okay.
If you like, make us say that. If you like, you make us get up. I don't call people. You dey spy pikin.
Why is which
So you dey fear your pikin. You no fit tell am make he excuse us.
No, they don't talk like that. You know, you have to be, they have their own rights too. Forget about that one. Why you saying that?
I just say make I dance with that thing.
Thank you.
About our New Year party wey una dey do
For office.
For office.
Yes.
I know that.
You mean end of the year?
End of the year party.
Okay.
I know that day na dem go select the best worker of the year and
yes.
the best messenger of the year and the best cleaner of the year.
Yes.
So I just say this one
Christmas gifts.
Christmas gift.
Okay, thank you very much.
Make you don't forget. Yeah, make you understand you now.
Say what's now?
If you want.
Okay. Papi Luwe, you get the thing where they talk judge everything, but don't worry. But the thing where you do, you surprise me, and me too, I will surprise you.
I beg. As I dey surprise you, I want to make you surprise me.
I will surprise you.
In the higher field, higher level.
Yes.
Make it surprise.
I go surprise you. You go no say I surprise you.
For that day.
For that day.
No problem.
Papi Luwe,
You don't. You the son of elderly person.
I
You the son
understand.
of elderly person.
Yeah.
So you don't understand it.
I understand it.
So give and take.
Give
and take.
Don't worry, I will surprise you.
Okay.
We don't do this end of the year party since, and award to some of our workers. We don't do good work for our company. But this one go different too, because if you like say it could be one kind more elaborate, more than the way we would do it before. But before I go on, I must be able to tell you, introduce you to people, make you know them, make them know you. I go start from Eddie, the Honorable Mr. Jide Babs. Now welcome, sir. Then to that last side, you go see one woman, fine woman like this. Even if you don't hold. She be Mrs. Rabiatu, one of our chief executives. You are welcome. And the first, but not the last or the least, our general manager, Mr. Bello Ajayi Ogidiolu. So before we start anything at all, we enjoy ourselves. If you like say our MD get small speech to deliver for us, look, we listen to our MD.
Yes, thank you very much, MC. Once again, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the management, make I welcome all of you now once again to this special annual occasion. As you know, say now this kind of occasion, the management they show appreciation to all the workers who do their job effectively. Yes. People who they work vigorously, people who they work with all their ability. Now him, the management, now this time we they show appreciation. Yes, and today, you know, go be another different thing, it go be the same thing. If you look grand, you go see say we don't get special gift, we will give the actual person will win as a good worker. Okay? But before I sit down, I hand over the whole thing to the MC. I want to make everybody know, say, it is always very important make we dey contribute our small quota for the work we will do, so that your own work no go lack. Your company self go rise with your own small effort. You get my point? Make we take this one very important. It's always good make we do our work effectively. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Well, we all don't listen to our MD, but make we no waste our time. I go handle all these things for general manager. Nah, the honorable go know as we go do it. Anyway, I think say me said I will get one out of it. Honorable. I greet you now, my people. I wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance.
Same to you, sir.
My talk will not go too much before we go straight to the thing we want to do. You see, now the thing we will talk about is, you see small pikin waiting for your house, your own pikin. If you encourage them well, you go sabi in book. Not be so? Not so. Now the encouragement with this our company they give us every year. Now make everybody they put effort for the work we in they do for the company. You go not say the company they progress well. Not be so? Yes, sir. We thank on behalf of the staff, I thank the management well. Now this year we are going to give out the gift to the best workers of the year. As we do, say you know say no partial. No partiality. No partial. Yes, no partiality. So we give the right thing to the right person. I will call on Madam Rabiatu now to help us send the gift to the person. So the person will not get this year making no best. So next time if you work hard, because as everybody they work with the sea. Yeah. You understand? As everybody they work with the sea. We go call on Mr. The person who won the third prize with that, Mr. Rasaki Ujuluri. I thank God. I beg clap for her. Now, the person will win the second prize. Now the person will end up in a no. The person be old man. If they doing work well, it's a big job. Yeah. Morning, afternoon, and night is a Now the person, if I talk and good now, now him be Honorable Chief Pa Ojoge.
Don't ask me. Come on. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Excuse me. Take my bag. Come on yourself.
Now, the person will win the first prize as the best worker of the year is Mrs. Inka Badiru.
Good luck. You don't go carry this one. You don't go carry up. You don't go carry this one.
Wait.
Why?
Papi Luwe, you don't know where you did?
I am sorry. Empty.
My friend, go back to your seat.
I am sorry. I have my point. I am sorry.
What will be your point? Sit down. Madam, sit down. Sit down.
Long life for empty. Short life for GM. Yes. Why? Silvio, I can't give my GM present.
Yes.
New Year present. I gave.
Yes.
I say, now because of this thing, I say, who they want to select the best worker of the year, whether messenger or anything, make them select me. And the best messenger of the year, you can't give up to another person. Where the person will I give you? You don't know say that because of this thing. I don't sell all my property because of this thing. They don't go carry this thing here.
Thank you very much. You give me gifts, Abi. Which gift you give me?
I give you plenty something.
Waiting.
Drinks.
Apart from the waiting, by the time you give me, waiting you call am.
I call am gift.
My
Christmas gift.
Ladies and gentlemen, is there anything bad in make the staff give the GM Christmas present? Nothing. He come to my house, say he won't give me gifts and he give me Christmas gifts. Yes. You understand? What's wrong in that?
Nothing.
Look, make I tell you.
Now, Lord, you want to take handle?
Yes.
Now, Lord. GM, I am sorry. I misbehaved. I am sorry. I am sorry.
I wonder. So you think say because you can't give me gifts, I will give you the thing where it not belong to you? I want to ask one question. I beg, madam, before you get, how many times you don't wake Papi luwe for store where you go sleep for work?
I mean they go wake up for store about 3 times. They don't like Papi.
You know how many sick leave where they dey for your file?
It's so bad.
Plenty sick leave.
Plenty. I am sorry.
You where they submit sick leave every time where you dey sleep when they work we just dey manage you say you be old man we don't want to sack you. Now you won't get the best workers. I beg, madam, just give am. Since late. Clap for am, abeg.
Thank you.
Yeah, gently.
Good luck.
Gently, good luck.
Good luck. Take am here.
Toilet.
Go toilet. Go wherever you want to go. Sit down.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen. Now. Ladies and gentlemen, you know the thing we did there, we say we will go out now and take our
Group photo. Better.
Understand? Make you allow the end to make you.
So let's go, please. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Loose, loose. Just the frank, content picture.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did go. And they have to, yeah, you did go. You know, you took time.
How you will take time off? MD, come and save me.
The line. Roadblock. I am ready to go and do for you.
What you drink something?
Man, bring the telephone for me because now you promise me say, me promise you. Hey, you know,
Look, make I tell you, if you know you won't get gifts,
yes.
Make you know they sleep for working kid. Make you know they bring sick leave again.
Why you don't tell me that one? The time me I give you the Christmas gift.
Do you thought say you give me for a gift for that kind thing?
Go on.
I bet.
Mr. Bello, I don't joke with you. I don't joke with you.
I bet come on. Andy, don't save me.
I know my job will not finish for this job. He don't be Papa. I go problem with that thing.
What is happening?
I can't understand. You are welcome, sir.
Papi luwe. Wait till they come. Let's do the photograph.
Oh yeah. Come.
Okay, you said put on your dress. Then you come take photograph.
We go first, sir.
Okay, let's go, please.
Okay, we go.
Papi luwe, will you stop that, right? No. Carry your this to make you join us.
What in the car?
I said, deliver.
I use a popular